guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to do something a little bit different. It's a little bit, I don't know, is it weird? I don't know, but I thought it was funny, so I thought it would be a cool video to do. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. I am going to be making videos more often now that we're on this quarantine, and I'm then going to be on summer vacations anyways, done with school for now, so I'm hoping that you guys can stay along for the ride.
Espérate.
Two hours later.
Mi obra maestra es un 10.
Say bye.
Bye.